Well, here we are out exploring different trails. We are in the Huron National Forest, and of course, Tim is reading all the signs. We're going to get to an overlook up in the sand dunes up here. Overlook of a river, but I'm not sure which river we're on. Anyways, I'm gonna keep walking. Tim's gonna read all the signs. Stay tuned. Well, here's where we got to. Au Sable Dunes. And here's the view up here. This overlook. Really pretty. And I think this river dumps into the Lake Huron.
Yeah, there definitely is a dam first.
But there's a dam first.
Yep.
Tim's reading all about it. He likes to read all the signs. Well, we went down 300 steps to get to this. Nice and pretty, some spring water. But then we got to go back up all those 300 steps, which will give us good practice for when we need to do Angel's Landing in Utah later this year. So I'll just call this conditioning for that trip.